Okay, so after we check the movement, test the print, everything's okay, then we can start to install the print head. So before we install print head, we must be sure the machine is powered off. So we power off the machine first. Be sure the machine is powered off. If you install print head with power, it will shut print head and electronic system. So after we shut down the power, we can start to install print head. First, we need to remove the cartridge cover. Okay, then we take out the damper, and as we said before, this one is for wet print head, and this one is for color print head. First, we install the wet print head. We take out the brand new print head, and there's a mark here is at the front, and this top one is at back side. We install by this way. By this way is wrong, but this way is correct. This way. And this print head, before we install print head, we must be sure there's a rubber, the rubber ring here, install print head ready for fasten without leaking air. We install the fast ring to here, and when we see the fast ring, we can see here this wide edge and the small edge. We install the wide edge to this front by this way. And also there's a flat surface and with hole surface. The flat surface at bottom and the surface with hole at front, at top, by this way. If you install wrong, it will be leaking air, the print head. And also be sure there's a glue, the print head with glue already to protect the ink will not spray inside the electronic system. And also be sure the pin at the port is clean and without damage. And then after we install the ring, then we start to install print head. First, we find out the wet print head named left white. Means left the cable on wet print head, and we remove the tape at the pin. First, we find out left, white, and we can see the pin, the cable with the pin at the surface is installed on the bottom by this way. If by this way, it will be no connection. Must be by this way. The cable with pin at the same side of the print head surface. And install wire. Be sure the pin is without damage, dirty, damaged, or scratched before you install the cable. Must be flat and clean, and then install at the end and fasten it. So this is the left white print head cable. Then we find out the right white print head cable named right white R1. And also we install the same way. Check the pin first, then install to the print head and make it flat and fasten. Be sure the fasten ring is installed where. So we find out a screwdriver, a screw and a screwdriver. Find a 4 screw and put it inside the hole. Then we put the printer head at the front port. And when we install printer head screw, first we install this screw, then we install this screw by the angle way. And then this one. And this one. The totally 4 screws to lock the printer head. And not too tighten or too fasten. If it's too fasten, it's easy to damage the printer head cover. If it's too loosen, we'll be leaking air when you do the clean. Be sure it's fasten wear. Then we start to install the color print head. We find the color print head and I'll install the same way. First we find out the left color cable and remove the protection tape. And be sure the cable is clean without damage. And also we install the ring first, the rubber ring first. Be sure the rubber ring is fastened and by the correct way. Small size, big size this way, and the flat surface at the bottom by this way. And also be sure the printer head is not scratch. Then we install the left color printer head, left color cable. Also be sure the cable is clean. And if the cable, the pin, you get some scratch or dirty, you can use the eraser to evaporate before you install. Then we install the red color print head cable. Fasten, and also be sure that the glue protected already. And then we install at the front like this way. We fasten the wire. And install the printer head by the angle way. And then we install back the ink damper. Even right now we not install the print head, fill ink, but we must install back the damper to the print head by this way, this big one at the front. And also install back the color print head. The first one is black. So from the left, the first one is black. The second one is cyan. The number 3 also cyan. And then magenta. And magenta again. The last one is yellow. And be sure all the tuber is not bending, not bend like this or block. Okay, so this is the all procedure to install the print head and install the damper to the print head, to the carriage. So next step, we need to start to fill ink to the ink damper, ink tank to the ink damper, and to the print head and the cap station. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Bye.